Wells Fargo provides multiple convenient methods to cancel your recurring bill payments. Most customers prefer digital channels due to their 24/7 availability and ease of use. You have five main options for canceling recurring payments. Online banking and the mobile app offer full functionality with 24/7 access. Phone banking provides live assistance, while branch visits offer in-person support. ATM services have limited bill pay management capabilities. The online banking method is the most popular choice. Here's the complete step-by-step process to cancel your recurring payments through Wells Fargo's website. First, log into your Wells Fargo online banking account. Then, navigate to the Pay Bills and Transfer section and select Bill Pay from the menu. Next, choose either Manage Payees or Scheduled Payments to find your recurring payment. Once you locate it, select Edit or Cancel. Then confirm your cancellation to finalize the process. The mobile app process is very similar to online banking and equally convenient. The Wells Fargo mobile app provides the same full functionality as the website. Open the Wells Fargo mobile app and tap Pay and Transfer. Select Bill Pay, then choose Scheduled or Recurring Payments. Find the payment you want to cancel, tap Cancel or Edit, and confirm your action. The process is streamlined for mobile use. Besides digital methods, Wells Fargo offers traditional alternatives. Phone banking at 1-800-869-3557 provides both automated and live representative assistance. Branch visits offer in-person support, especially useful for complex business accounts. ATM services provide limited bill pay management capabilities, mainly for basic payment modifications. However, for full cancellation control, digital channels remain the most comprehensive option. Understanding timing is crucial for successful cancellations. Most cancellations take effect immediately for future payments, giving you instant control over your scheduled transactions. However, be aware that payments scheduled for the same day may not be cancelable, as they may already be in processing. Additionally, most changes must be made before the daily cutoff time of 8 p.m. Eastern Time to ensure they take effect. Consider banking business days when timing your cancellations, especially for critical payments like mortgages or utilities. Planning ahead ensures smooth cancellation without service interruptions. Understanding the key considerations when canceling Wells Fargo bill payments is crucial to avoid common pitfalls and ensure your payments are properly managed. The most critical consideration is understanding the difference between two types of automatic payments. Wells Fargo Bill Pay is customer-initiated through Wells Fargo's system, while Merchant Auto Pay is set up directly with the merchant and debits your account automatically. This distinction is crucial because canceling a Wells Fargo Bill Pay does not cancel auto pay arrangements with merchants. You must contact the merchant directly to cancel auto pay services. Timing is critical when canceling recurring payments. Experts recommend canceling payments 2 to 3 business days before the next scheduled payment when possible. Payments scheduled for the same day may not be cancelable, and you should always consider banking business days and daily processing cutoff times, which are typically around 8 p.m. Eastern Time. Financial experts recommend several best practices for managing recurring payments. Review all recurring payments monthly to ensure they're still needed and accurate. Always keep records of cancellation confirmations and check your account statements to verify that cancellations were effective. Setting calendar reminders can help you stay on top of payment management. If you encounter issues, here are common troubleshooting scenarios. If a payment continues after cancellation, verify whether it's a Wells Fargo bill pay or merchant auto pay arrangement. If you're unable to cancel online, payments within 24 hours of processing may require phone assistance. Complex business payments might need branch support for proper handling. Finally, remember that Wells Fargo typically doesn't charge fees for canceling bill pay services, but merchants might impose penalties for missed payments if cancellation timing isn't handled correctly.